Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the voice of my heart. What are the lyrics and the contents of your heart? Listen to yourself. Don't worry what the world is doing. Don't worry about keeping up with the Joneses. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. Leave your mark, your footprint. Leave your legacy, baby. The best way that you can do it is listening to your own intellect. There is no professor, no mentor, family, friend that can actually solidify and confirm you're on the right path, because we don't know what you're doing. Even if you explain it to with the best in-depth descriptions, until you put your best foot forward, we need you to show us what you're thinking, show us the projection or the vision in your mind. And as soon as you create it, that's when help comes in, and that's when your appreciation comes in. I silence the fear in me, and I discover the voice of my heart. Do not be scared to be yourself. It's who you are. No one else is like you. Take pride in that. Show up and show out. The fruit of these words guides me, and I trust the song of my soul. My intuition leads me to the path of light and breakthrough. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.